Welcome to Dr. Balaga's God Knowledge Doc podcast, your quick dive into the latest medical breakthroughs to keep you ahead of the curve. Let's get started. This podcast is on fatigue in air traffic operations, a viewpoint published in JAMA recently. 2.9 million passengers, 45,000 flights occur daily. There are high cognitive demands and workload, the sleep loss and circadian disruption which impact safety. In 2024, an FAA study reported fatigue affects performance and health in air traffic controllers. Key fatigue risks and scheduling issues. About 1,622 shifts in 10 weeks exceeded safety guidelines. Counterclockwise, that is 2-1 shifts, cause severe fatigue. 77% of the controllers reported unintended sleep. 36% fall asleep while driving after shifts. There are insufficient rest periods, which increase safety risks. The breakdown of a 2-1 schedule is 2 evening shifts, 2 early morning shifts, including a quick turnaround with only 9 hours off between them. And the third is a 1 midnight shift starting on the same day as the previous shift with only 8 hours off before it. This counterclockwise rotation, moving backward in time, disrupts the circadian clock, reducing sleep quality and alertness. FAA recommendations and actions integrate fatigue management policies, monitor and eliminate scheduling violations, replace the 2-1 shift system, increase off-duty rest periods to 10 to 12 hours. The FAA and the NATCA agreement in 2024 to improve safety. This is in a nutshell, air traffic controllers' fatigue problems.